This is something more than the fifth atomic bomb. This seething maelstrom of millions of tons of water pictures the dilemma of our age. With the wonders of scientific achievement before us, the choice is justice and peace, or this kind of atomic death. There is no alternative. For the second test at Bikini, this was the plan. Exploded 20 to 40 feet below the surface of the sea, a huge mass of water is forced upwards and outwards. A gigantic eruption spraying radioactive matter for miles. A little over a year ago, as these captured Japanese films show, the first atomic bomb on Hiroshima killed, burned and maimed 194,000 people. How many more died later from deadly rays and mysterious after effects will never be known. Fabric like this was used in a woman's dress. When the bomb fell, heat branded the pattern into her flesh. All films made by Japanese official cameramen have now been confiscated. Military and medical experts will study them for the effects of the bomb. Heat, indescribably intense, traced the outline of a man's body on the concrete roads, a permanent memorial to the first use of the world's most powerful weapon. These pictures provide the true background to the deliberations of the Allied peacemakers in Paris. Their impact on our minds is itself a shock and a warning. This man is alive, but he was later to die with many thousands of others from the effects of gamma rays. All this is what one bomb did at Hiroshima. The scientists and soldiers know it. Yet till the world can be sure of peace, they also know that they must perfect the bomb. And this they have done at Bikini.